Hello and welcome to my simple instruction guide on how to create headings for our accomplishment report or output logs. This is again Pastor Angelo Gutierrez, and I hope that this will be able to help us navigate easily for our output logs and also our accomplishment reports, lalo na pagka humaba na yung document natin, no? Creating headings, just like yung sa bookmarks and links, is very simple. Again, this is easily done when you use your computer. There will be separate steps for us to create headings for, let's say, if you're going to use your phone or your tablets. But I assure you, it's very easy for us to create headings if we're going to use a computer to start with. All right. So how are we going to use or create headings for easy navigation of our document? Just like in the headings, or rather the bookmarks and links, our reference point is the date of the week or yung week or period covered. No? So what we're going to do here is highlight the date, just like how we create our bookmarks. And then go to this area, yung normal text na drop-down list box. So click that drop-down arrow, and then choose heading number 3 or heading number 4, whichever you desire. No? So heading number 3, and then update heading 3 to match. Ayan. So, siguro nagtataka kayo, saan kaya napunta yung heading? If you go to this area of your document, there is this small box here that if you mouse over yung pointer, there will be show document outline. So if you click this, lalabas po dyan yung headings. Okay? So since nalabas na po natin, let's go to the next week. So this is June 15 to 19. The following week is June 22 to 26. So again, we highlight the text, then go to the normal text again, then click the drop-down arrow, then heading number 3. Ayan. So once that you have matched the text now or the format of your original text, you don't need to redo the formatting. Just click the heading number 3. Okay. And then, going to the next, June 29. Oops, sorry for that. Then go to the normal text, click heading number 3. So as you can see po on the side, lumalabas po yung mga links, so to speak. So again, heading number 3, that's for this week. And then, yung following week, July 13 to 17, go highlight the text, go to normal text, click the drop-down arrow, choose heading number 3. Then the following week, same. Then again, heading number 3. All right? So that's how easy it is to create headings for Google Docs. So if you want, you can continue on doing exactly what I have instructed you to do. Highlight the text, select heading number 3, hanggang sa matapos kayo kung hanggang saan nyo gustong gawin. Then if ever na umabot na tayo, let's say for this case, August 24 to 28, you can just simply create another table, copy and paste, and change the date, and also do the same instruction, creating headings. Okay? So, ano po yung magiging significant changes dito sa document po natin? Aside from this, every time that you open your document, ang first kagad na lalabas po sa inyo is yung first page. If you're going to edit out, say, yung sa July 6 to 10 nga po na entry, just click, go over here. Kung ang default po kasi, it's either naka-open po yung headings, links, or yung quick links on the side or hindi. Parang nakaganon. So just have to click the box or the arrow, which is whichever is kung ano yung naka-appear po dyan. So if you want to edit anything, the table or the contents of the table for July 6 to 10, like this one, okay? So just click that link, then automatically you will be brought to July 6 to July 10 table. So you can just simply go to the item or the cell that you want to update, then type away. Right? So ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo yung what on the other end, ano po yung nakikita nila. Okay? Just like yung sa headings and links na pinakita ko po or ginawa po before. So this is again my view or viewer account. So I have to click this accomplishment report. Okay, sorry for the siren. So this is what our supervisors and our vice principals and our HR will be viewing. No? So again, similar to our editor account, you can click the box. Sorry for that. So lalabas po again yung mga headings, links on the side. And then just click whichever week period that you want to check. So let's say it's June 29 to 3. But then again, automatic, you will be brought to this area or to the place where you needed to be. Okay? So that's how easy it is to create headings. Please, I hope that this will be helpful for each and every one of us, whether you are the editor or the viewer of the document. So thank you once again for watching. I hope that, again, this will be helpful. Thank you, see you, and God bless.